Hi friends, my name is Pradeep and I have recently completed the IATF internal auditor course along with 5 core tools. So I would like to share the experience of it, like its importance and how do we apply its application into our process. Okay, I have totally 5 years experience in quality assurance. Initially I have started my career as a quality inspector in Delphi TVS. Later on, I joined Delphingin India Private Limited. In Delphingin, I have worked in many aspects like in-process quality assurance, customer quality assurance, and currently now I am working as a supplier quality engineer. Even though I had a fair view of QMS, I thought in somewhere I am lacking a bit to implementing the system in our process. So I discussed it with my colleagues, and some of the guys suggest Mr. Abon Lemon sir, and they told about him. So I spoke with him about what I really want and what my current situation is. So later on I joined IATF internal auditor course. During the course, I have learned a lot of new things based upon process approach, risk-based thinking. For example, in FME, I was initially thought for severity ranking, we cannot change the severity ranking because it is customer oriented. Because they only provide the design drawings, right? So I thought in severity ranking we cannot do anything, but during the course of PPAP, in PPAP AAGA 4th edition, there is one section called the PPAP process flow chart. In that one column, it was mentioned supplier initiate change. So in this section, I understand, okay, supplier also can initiate some changes in the design based upon customer approval. Likewise, I knew a lot of new things based upon process approach, like how to implement it into our process. For another example, we do calibration for all our inspection equipments like vernier, placages to external laboratory because they only have the enable accreditation. But during the course of IATF 16949 in class 7.1.5.3.1, there is a class called internal laboratory scope. In that, they have mentioned some requirements for internal lab. By following those requirements, we can actually do the calibration in internally itself by following those requirements. Then I implementing those requirements in our organization. Also, Mr. Rawal sir clearly explains how cost of poor quality is actually interacting with FMEA and R&R. By properly doing the documentation of FMEA and R&R, we can also reduce the cost of poor quality. So I learned from this course only. Okay, my suggestion for the freshers is when you deeply understand the QMS standards and its application, you can do a lot of changes based upon return on investment in your organization. Also, my trainer, Mr. Raman sir, is very helpful during the course. Initially, for example, initially I thought when I have some doubt in the subject, I was hesitate to it is the right time to call, or is he busy or his own work, like that I was thinking. But but he come to me and told, okay, whenever you have some doubt in the subject, you can call me anytime. Don't hesitate. So so under his guidance, I completed the course successfully, and also I have got the certification, and I also have the plan of doing the VDA 6.3 under his guidance. Okay, so my final conclusion is, whenever you understanding the concept, logic, process approach, you can do a lot of things in your organization. It is profitable to them as well as the employees. So whatever you learn, do understand the logic, what they says, what the standard says. So how do we implement them into our process? That is the main thing. I learned this mantra from this course. Thanks, friends.